Hi friends, do you know what is this? Today I am going to tell you about this. This is Garcinia cambogia. This is Cambogia tree. This is an evergreen tree native to Southeast Asia. It is also known as brindleberry, Malabar tamarind, Kerala tamarind, Kodamboli, Gambogi. The tree can grow to a height of 50 feet. The green fruits turn golden yellow as they ripen. In our place, the fruits ripen in rainy season, that is in June-July months. They look about like a small pumpkin. The fully ripened one falls down and are picked up, or one can even shake the branches to get them. These are some which we are collected. Cut the fruit using a knife and remove the seeds. Then they are placed on this rack for drying. This is a small setup in which a chicken mesh is attached to a wooden frame. Below that frame, there is a stove to make smoke. The fruits are placed on the rack and the stove gets fired. Commonly we use coconut husk for the firing. After 3 days, it looks like this. Seven days later, the golden yellow color turns completely to black. It is taken out and then rubbed with a little salt and oil and stored in jars. In old days, they are stored in mud pots, so it is named as Kodamboli. Kodam means pot and Puli means sour. Kodamboli is an essential ingredient for fish, seafood, pork recipes. It is also used in Indian medicine.